At Wheelock, I'm studying elementary education with an additional licensure in teaching special ed to students with moderate disabilities, K through 8. I love being in the classroom. I love teaching. I started working with students with disabilities. I figured out that teaching them is where my heart is, and I want to keep doing that. I definitely have learned more than I ever thought I would from my students, not even just dinosaur facts, but also really insightful things like stuff about coronavirus or Black Lives Matter, stuff that I think adults, including myself sometimes, think, oh, they're just kids. They're not thinking about that, but they really are and can really pare down what's important to them and what's important about an issue. I've gotten so much hands-on experience in classrooms. Ever since freshman year, I've been in a classroom. That's really unique about Wheelock's program. There's so much field experience. Having a scholarship at BU has really allowed me to grow a lot more as an educator and a student, and also just individually. Educational scholarships are really important because education doesn't just impact the life of an individual who's receiving that scholarship. It really goes to their community and to anyone they're going to interact with for the rest of their lives, because they'll use what they learned and they'll apply it to make the world better.